up fam, it's me Don Villa. In this video I'm teaching you guys how to play music on YouTube while doing your other things in your phone. So it's basically just like Spotify though, but unlimited music, no ads, unlimited. Do you want me to say it again? Unlimited, no ads. Just like Spotify, okay? And today we are doing this on Android phone. First, so here we go. So first, you gotta go to Google Chrome in your phone. Make sure you download the Google Chrome in Play Store, okay? Open that, and the second is you gotta see the dots in upper right corner and click that. And third one is scroll down and you're gonna see the desktop site and click on it. And yeah, we're set up. This is so easy, so easy. So now we are searching youtube.com. Click that. So now here we are at YouTube. Pick your song. Pick your favorite song. Play it. Just play it. Come on. Just search it and play it. Oh my god. So here we are. See? We're playing the song. So I'm gonna click the home button right there. Oh my god. Oops, what happened? What are we gonna do now? Go to this thing, just roll this down and click the play button. There you go. You have your song. You have your music unlimited, no ads, okay? And yeah, that's it. And thank you for watching this video. I'm so thankful that you watched this, and I hope you had a great day. And if you like this video, make sure you if you like this video, make sure you thumbs up and share that. Click that share, man. Click that share, man. And if you want more, suggest. Comment in the section below. Okay? I'm gonna end it here. Thank you so much for watching.